So welcome to the next session, and I hope that I am trying my level best to ensure that the concept of solving a differential equation is well understood by everybody of you. So for this circuit where we have applied V in t as a ramp, it is 0 before t equal to 0 and t after t equal to 0, the differential equation will become dVot by dt plus Vot is equal to t. And in earlier example where we had connected 1 volt voltage source and a switch which we were closing at t equal to 0, that time V in t was 0 before t equal to 0, V in t was 1 after t equal to 0. So that time dVot by dt plus Vot was 1. So these are the two differential equations which we are solving. Then if we, this is called as a linear differential equation where we have a common logic dVot by dt plus Vot is equal to 1 in earlier case, which we solved actually by providing a ready-made solution to you. But now what I would like to make you aware of a direct arriving at this solution. So what we can say is C1, C some, or instead of taking constants C1 and all that, let us take the constants small a plus b and c. So how do we solve this differential equation? A into first derivative of Vo with respect to t plus b into Vo is equal to c, a constant. So where is the crux? The crux here is that summation, now it is not simple summation, weighted summation, where a, b and c are constants. Right now we assume these are real constants. These can be complex constants also. We will proceed to it as we get a deeper insight. So some constant into differential of voltage plus some other constant into voltage is a constant. And what will make this to happen? Listen very carefully. What will make this to happen? And this is possible if and only if. What I want? Weighted sum of function, or that is the output, plus its differential should be a constant. Means when that can be constant, it will be constant when weighted differential cancels, because on right hand side there is nothing like t. Vot doesn't appear on right hand side, it is constant. Output voltage is not appearing on this side. So weighted sum of differential and original function is a constant. This will happen if and only if weighted sum of function and its derivative cancels the function part. For this to be getting cancelled, what we must have, for that purpose, in the last lecture, without going into much details about the exponential function, eccentricity, the base for natural logarithm, why it occurs, and so right now we do not have time to go into the details because you are also a very heavy loaded. So what we have decided, that we found out a family of functions e raised to lambda t or some other constant, let us say capital B e raised to lambda t, is that kind of function where b and lambda are constants. These can be, again I repeat, either real or complex constants, but right now let us restrict to real constants. If what we have concluded, that if ft is equal to b e raised to lambda t, then f dash t is equal to lambda b e raised to lambda t, or f dash t is equal to lambda ft. F dash t is equal to lambda ft, or differential operation is scaling operation. Sometimes we use the symbol capital D as an indicator of d by dt. d by dt is d, so d is an operator. Then 1 upon d is to be treated as integral operator. It simplifies calculation to some extent. So if d is a differential operator, and this technique we will also go through, which makes the differential equations solutions or representation simpler. I would like to state that differential equations is crux of this subject. We are going at a slower rate because we want to focus the crux. We do not intend to spend time on something which is quite easy. So if d is a differential operator, then e raised to t is such function where differential operator is a unity operator. So if ft is e raised to t, d by dt is, or f dash t is ft. I hope everything is simple and easily understandable. If ft is e raised to t, or let us say that ft is such function where f dash t is ft. Differential operator is a unity operator. If it is so, then what I said dft means is equal to 1 into ft. Or what is dft? F dash t is equal to ft. Such magical function is of extreme use for us. It's a super magical function where differential operator is a unity operator, derivative is function itself. But this super magical we don't want. We don't want very super experts. Sometimes normal experts are much better than super experts. So we go for a simple magical function where we say e raised to lambda t, and b can be any multiplier. So if b e raised to lambda t, I can just simply state this is super magical function. If it is made simple magical function, if ft is b e raised to lambda t, then differential of this becomes lambda b e raised to lambda t, so that is equal to lambda ft. So differential operator becomes a scaling operator. B is a differential operator and lambda is a multiplier. So the function b e raised to lambda t, a class of functions, is such magical function where differential operator reduces to a multiplier, scaling operator, or derivative becomes scaling, or differentiation becomes scaling. की मराठीत सांगतो ft इक्वल टू b e raised to lambda t हे अशा प्रकारचं फंक्शन आहे की ज्यामध्ये डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑपरेटर हा मल्टिप्लायर सारखा ऑपरेट करतो. ज्या फंक्शन साठी डेरिव्हेटिव्ह म्हणजे मल्टिप्लिकेशन आहे अशी फंक्शन्स म्हणजे b e raised to lambda t, and this function is of extreme help for us because what we want, we see here that something into derivative plus something into original function is a constant. So now what are different functions we know? We restrict to only two. A constant function ft equal to constant k. What is f dash t? For a constant, derivative is a nullity operator. For a constant function, derivative is a nullity operator. F dash t becomes 0. If ft is equal to some constant into t, then f dash t becomes that constant. And if ft is equal to b e raised to lambda t, then f dash t becomes lambda ft. So this particular function is of very much importance for us. Now we can think how this will be solved. So what we must have? A into different. Remember, I again repeat, on left we have left hand side, we have right hand side. The right hand side of this equation is a constant. Right hand side does not include the function. So linear combination of function and its derivative should remove the function and remain with only the constant. मराठीत सांगतो, या डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन या समीकरणामध्ये डाव्या बाजूला फंक्शन आहे काहीतरी कॉन्स्टंट मल्टिप्लाय केलेलं, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आहे काहीतरी कॉन्स्टंट मल्टिप्लाय केलेला, म्हणजे डाव्या बाजूला फंक्शन आणि त्याच्या डेरिव्हेटिव्हचं एक लिनियर कॉम्बिनेशन, वेटेड सम. लिनियर कॉम्बिनेशन कदाचित अवघड जाईल म्हणून समीकरणाच्या डाव्या बाजूला एक फंक्शन की जे आपण हुडकतोय आणि त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह याची वेटेड सम आहे आणि समीकरणाच्या उजव्या बाजूला कॉन्स्टंट आहे. म्हणजे असा पद्धतीचं ते फंक्शन पाहिजे की ते फंक्शन आणि त्याच्या डेरिव्हेटिव्हचं वेटेड सम अशी आली पाहिजे की ज्यात ते फंक्शनच निघून गेलं पाहिजे. मग ते कसं शक्य आहे? ते असंच शक्य आहे की कुठंतरी आपल्याला बी ई रेस टू लॅम्बडा टी मॅजिकल फंक्शन हे त्यात असायलाच पाहिजे. ते जर मॅजिकल फंक्शन नसेल तर आपल्याला उत्तर मिळणार नाही. देयर वन मोर थिंग, डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन does not have a unique solution. Differential equation only tells what multiple solutions will satisfy that. साध्या समीकरणात सॅटिस्फाय कराय करताच्या अटी फार कडक असतात, त्या एकाच बाबतीत सॅटिस्फाय होतात. डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन सॅटिस्फाय करायच्या अटी या अत्यंत शिथिल असतात. वेगवेगळ्या व्हॅल्यूज वेगवेगळे सोल्युशन्स ते इक्वेशन सॅटिस्फाय करू शकतात. त्या सोल्युशन पैकी नेमकं कुठलं हे त्या इक्वेशन ज्या सिस्टीम मध्ये वापरतो त्याची एखाद्या वेळेची स्थिती काय त्याच्यावर अवलंबून आहे. सो नाउ व्हॉट वी मस्ट हॅव, VOT must include the function b e raised to lambda. b का घेतलाय? b घेतले चालतं पण मल्टिपल ऑप्शन म्हणून ते घ्यायला पाहिजे. इफ वी अज्युम का हे तर पाहिजेच पाहिजे, अजून काहीतरी पाहिजे, काय पाहिजे पण नंतर बघूया. VOT is equal to b e raised to lambda t. मग what would be dVOT by dt? it would be lambda b e raised to lambda t. Lambda b e raised to lambda t. Then what will happen? On left hand side what we have got? On left hand side we have got a into this, so it will be a into this, and it is small b into this, so it will be into this. So if we add these two terms will be added, and what these two terms would be? bb plus a lambda into b e raised to lambda t. Now I will explain to you by further assuming another simpler thing in this without changing the equation. What the equation is? The equation is a dVOT by dt plus bVOT is equal to c, where c is a constant. Now to start with, I will make this constant as 0. I will make this constant as 0. So this constant is 0, then what is RHS? RHS is 0. So what LHS must become? LHS must become 0. And when LHS can become 0? LHS will become 0 if the constants of linear combination are such. Since we have started with a magical function where derivative is scaling, so function into something plus something into derivative of function, but derivative of function is again something into function. So function into something plus function into some other thing, that has to be 0, and that would be 0 if these constants, function into something plus function into some other thing. So if something and some other things are 0, if something and some other things are 0, so this would be 0, this would be 0 if and only if. So this is left hand side, and that must be equal to what? Right hand side. That must be equal to 0. So when this is 0, when this will become 0? This will become 0 if and only if. This will become 0 if and only if. Now e raised to lambda t, if lambda is minus infinity, still as t proceeds, this should be satisfied for all t. This should be satisfied for all t. Therefore, for all e raised to lambda t term will never be 0 for all t for any value of lambda. Listen very carefully. This is a left hand side is a product of three terms. This term and this term. For product to be 0, either of the terms must be 0. Then can e raised to lambda t is 0? It can't be 0. Why? Because t is from minus infinity to infinity, or from 0 to infinity, you can say, for time being. Then there exists no lambda for which for all t's e raised to lambda t will become 0. So e raised to lambda t can't be 0. Then either b has to be 0 or this bracket has to be 0. B is 0. Yes. B is 0 means VOT is 0. If VOT is 0, dVOT by dt is 0, A into 0 plus B into 0 is 0. So it is a trivial solution. It is a trivial solution means you appeal. Now this is this midsem would be online, but in the last year you have appeared for conventional examinations. So what do? You appear for the examination. Go into the exam hall, write your seat number, everything on the answer book, take the question paper and then submit the blank answer book and go away. It is so you appear for the examination by writing nothing. So this is a trivial solution. In most of the differential equations, zero happens to be a trivial solution. म्हणजे अजून सांगतो डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशनला एकच उत्तर असतं असं नाही. बरीच सोल्युशन्स ते डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन सॅटिस्फाय करू शकतात. त्यातलं बऱ्याचदा झिरो हे ट्रिव्हियल किरकोळ नगण्य अर्थहीन सोल्युशन असतं. ते सोडून दुसरं कुठलं आहे का हे आपल्याला ओळखायचं आहे. So if b is equal to 0, yes, it's solution. But if b not equal to 0, then still there is one more solution, and that solution is this one. B into capital B plus a lambda is equal to 0, or in that case, so b plus a lambda equal to 0 means lambda is equal to lambda is equal to minus bb upon a. Lambda is minus bb upon a. And then, so what is VOT? VOT is equal to, and now let us say if we choose a and b equal to 1 for time being. If we choose a and b equal to 1, in that case lambda will become minus b. So VOT is equal to b e raised to minus bt. VOT is equal to b e raised to minus bt is the solution. VOT is equal to b e raised to minus bt is the solution. Then what is value of b? What is value of b? So now I would like to clarify this concept from your mind again. So we rub out everything, even if for the time being we forget these circuits, and if this is the differential equation, that dVOT by dt plus VOT is equal to 0, then if VOT is b e raised to minus bt, then what will happen? Am I correct, or we have made some mistake? We just need to re-verify once again. In that situation, what will happen? Let us just cross verify. dVOT by dt is minus b square, that is b into minus b square. It would be dVOT by dt is minus b square e raised to minus bt plus VOT is b e raised to minus bt is equal to 0. So that would be minus b square plus b e raised to minus bt is 0. So minus b square plus b has to be 0. Minus b square plus b has to be 0. So what does it mean? We can bring b common. Minus b plus 1 has to be 0. So b equal to 0, it is trivial solution, and b equal to minus 1 is one more solution. Sorry. case b equal to b derivative is minus b square. So b equal to 1. If it is b equal to 1, so you just re-verify where we had made some small mistake. Just you also try to think b e raised to minus bt minus b square e raised to minus bt plus b e raised to minus bt is equal to 0. So minus b square plus b is equal to 0. So b square equal to b. Either b has to be 0 or b has to be. So it's a very it is b square equal to b. So b square equal to b is satisfied for b equal to 0 and b equal to 1. Right, yeah, exactly. So if I just got confused, there we had got lambda was minus d, right? So the solution is VOT is equal to e raised to minus t. VOT is equal to e raised to minus t is a solution. V equal to e raised to minus t is the solution. Now dVOT by dt plus VOT, the solution type is VOT is equal to b e raised to minus bt. Using that solution, we come up to this. We get b square equal to b, means b is a, or to be more precise, we can also have b into bracket b minus 1 equal to 0. So either b is equal to 0, in that case VOT is 0, or b is equal to 1. When b is equal to 1, the answer is 1 e raised to minus t. So it is e raised to minus t. So e raised to minus t satisfies this, and that is quite obvious because its derivative is minus e raised to minus t. Its derivative is minus e raised to minus t. This is e raised to minus t, that is equal to 0. So this we have satisfied for this by making constant as 0. Now we move further. We don't want this restriction. We would like to solve it for something more. Actually, in this also we came to conclusion that VOT is equal to e raised to minus t. Then this is solution, or VOT is equal to 0. So this is a trivial solution where it is not a function of time, just a constant 0 value. So we discard and we say that VOT is equal to e raised to minus t. Then you will say, oh, you were saying something different earlier. How I came to a fixed solution of differential equation? Differential equation should allow multiple solutions. Then I will keep this point pending at this moment. You think why we came to fixed answer? Why at all initial condition question never came like this? For that we proceed with a different value. So instead of 0 we start with another value c. Now it's very interesting. We start with again a plus b is equal to c. Is it clear? A plus B is equal A dVOT by dt plus dVOT is equal to C. With this we can start and we can solve generally. Now what is the situation? To make it simpler, I again remove them, saying that let A be equal to 1, B be equal to 1 and C now be equal to 1, not 0. C now be equal to 1. So I have just chosen, I just removed A and B to make things simpler. Now what I have on left hand side? On left hand side, I have, listen now very carefully. I have made it simple. Instead of weighted sum, I have made it direct sum. सगळ्यात सोपं डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन हे आहे. मग असं आणखी सोपं होतं, हे थोडंसं अवघड पण बऱ्यापैकी कळेल असं आहे. आउटपुटचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह अधिक आउटपुट बरोबर 1 म्हणजे काय व्हायला पाहिजे? आउटपुटचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आणि आउटपुटची बेरीज कायम एक पाहिजे. सो हाउ I had given you a hint that this should also use my magical function b e raised to lambda t. हे तर पाहिजेच. त्यामुळे आपण काय म्हणायचं? let VOT is equal to again b, I start the same thing, b e raised to lambda t. जिथं जिथं लिनियर डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन असते तिथे हे का पाहिजे? तर आपण ऍड करत जातो, ऍड करून उजव्या साईडला ते राहतच नाही, तर डिफरन्शियल आणि फंक्शन एकमेकांना कॅन्सल केलं पाहिजे. ते करायकरता स्केलिंग व्हायलाच पाहिजे. डिफरन्शिएशन इक्वल टू स्केलिंग असं बी ई रेज टू लॅम्डा टी लाच शक्य आहे, वेअर डी ऑपरेटर इज लॅम्डा मल्टिप्लायर. डी ऑफ एफ टी इज लॅम्डा एफ टी or f dash t equal to lambda ft. Then what will happen? What will be dVOT by dt is equal to lambda b e raised to lambda t. Lambda b e raised to lambda t. Then what will happen? If I add them, LHS will become b plus lambda b e raised to lambda t. LHS will become b plus lambda b e raised to lambda t. Then the problem is now on the right hand side there is no e raised to lambda t. म्हणजे e raised to lambda t right hand side ला नाही. So it must get cancelled. Means this must be 0. This must become 0. This must become 0. What is this? This is again b 1 plus lambda e raised to lambda. Means either b should be equal to 0 or 1 plus lambda should be equal to 0. But now the problem is b 0 trivial ka non trivial peksha, if this bracket becomes 0, then LHS becomes 0 and RH is now 1. RH is not 0. Mata, what is the problem? Problem is right hand side does not have e raised to lambda t term. Left hand side is having function summation of function and its derivative. जर फंक्शन आपण ते मॅजिकल फंक्शन घेतलं तर what happens? For some e raised to lambda t जायला पाहिजे. So for some value, for say lambda equal to -1, this bracket becomes 0, e raised to lambda t disappears, but everything disappears. Everything disappears. Lakshya, are you getting me? Listen very carefully. What I want, the solution must emerge. You must feel that you are solving a differential equation. So if we take this function, its derivative is scaling. Their addition for given value of lambda will become 0. That will make LHS 0, but RH is 1. So this will never become equal to 1 at all. For all t, this can't become 1. For all t, this can't become 1. This can become 1 when, if lambda is 0. If lambda is 0, what will happen? If lambda is 0, in that case VOT is equal to B. In that case VOT is equal to B. So yes, then you will say, why what you are saying, I will make it happen. VOT. So if lambda is equal to 0, what will be VOT? VOT is equal to B. If VOT is equal to B, what is dVOT by dt? dVOT by dt is 0. What is LHS? LHS is, let now you make a simple one. Let lambda be 0. If lambda is 0, VOT is B. What is dVOT by dt? dVOT by dt is 0. What is LHS? 0 plus B. What is that equal to? 1. So B equal to 1. Then lambda equal to 0 and B equal to 1. That is VOT equal to 1 will satisfy this equation. VOT equal to 1 will satisfy this equation. But again, that is another kind of trivial expression. Just I would like to give the same example of your answer sheet. You might be knowing few people who give blank answer sheet. VOT equal to 0 solution. There are few more mischievous. What do? They appear for the examination, get the answer book, have margins very neatly, write down in very neat handwriting, write down in the exam and everything, and they get the question paper, they write the question, and below that they write the question again. So their answer is the question itself, is another kind of trivial, किरकोळ, बिनमहत्वाचं solution. So VOT equal to 0 was some trivial solution in previous case. VOT equal to 1 is another trivial solution. So what we want to have a solution for which lambda is not 0. If VOT equal, if VOT म्हणजे बऱ्याच इक्वेशन्सला काही केस काय करतात, क्वेश्चन लिहायचा आणि तोच उत्तरामध्ये तोच क्वेश्चन एकदा दोनदा तीनदा लिहायचा, म्हणजे VOT इक्वल टू कॉन्स्टंट. VOT इक्वल टू कॉन्स्टंट. हे समजा आता इथं हे जर 2 असतं आणि B इक्वल टू 2 सोल्युशन, म्हणजे VOT इक्वल टू 2 हे सोल्युशन आहे. म्हणजे अशा लिनियर डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन मध्ये VOT इक्वल टू 0 किंवा VOT इक्वल टू 2, म्हणजे 0 फंक्शन किंवा कॉन्स्टंट फंक्शन ही काही तशी मीनिंगफुल फंक्शन्स नव्हे, म्हणून आपण ट्रिव्हियल किरकोळ अर्थहीन सोल्युशन म्हणतो आणि ती सोडून अन्य कुठलं सोल्युशन आहे का हे तपासतो. दॅट व्हॉट वी आर डुइंग. सो व्हॉट वी कन्क्लूड नाउ, सिन्स लॅम्डा इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी 0, in any case we can't make this thing, that is the left hand side. What is left hand side now? B into bracket 1 plus lambda e raised to lambda t. हे नेहमीसाठी 1 होऊ शकत नाही. It can't happen 1 for any time. Why? Because what will happen? If this bracket is not 0, then it will never be 1. It will be a function of time. If this bracket is 0, in that case this becomes 0. Are you getting me? Left hand side will be changing with t if this bracket is not 0. B equal to 0 we rule out. ते नेहमी solution. B equal to, right now it is not. So this bracket becoming 0 will make this left hand side 0. That will not be 1. This bracket non-zero, it will be a function of t, so it will not be 1. Therefore now what we want, तर काय व्हायला पाहिजे? So left hand side is what? Derivative or function plus its derivative. What is right hand side? Right hand side equal to 1. Right hand side equal to 1. So what should happen now? What I will do, maybe left hand, right hand side can be taken on left hand side, and that summation is to be made 0, or you can think in a different way also. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आणि फंक्शन याची सम कॉन्स्टंट येईल असं फंक्शन पाहिजे. फंक्शन असं पाहिजे की डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आणि फंक्शनची सम कॉन्स्टंट येईल. म्हणजे कॉन्स्टंट येईल म्हणजे त्यातनं फंक्शन निघून जाईल, आणि कॉन्स्टंट मात्र उरेल. मग मॅजिकल फंक्शन काय करतं? मॅजिकल फंक्शनचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह हा मॅजिकल फंक्शनचं मल्टिपल असतो. कॉन्स्टंटचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह हा 0 असतो. इट्स अ हिंट. सो नाउ वी हॅव स्टार्टेड विथ ओनली मॅजिकल फंक्शन. त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, त्याची सम काय आली? समथिंग टाइम्स फंक्शन आली, आणि ते कधीच 1 होणार नाही. तर जर फंक्शन आपण काय घेतलं? फंक्शन आपण असं घेतलं की ज्यामध्ये आणखीन एक कॉन्स्टंट घेतला a plus b e raised to lambda t, then what will happen? What is derivative by dt? a is equal to 0, this one. So left hand side would be a plus b into 1 minus lambda e raised to lambda t is equal to 1. So when this can become 1, right hand side 1 आहे, हे 1 कधी होईल? For that this should get annulled because it is changing term with time. उजव्या याच्यापेक्षा सोपं डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन शिकवणारा कुठलाही ट्युटोरियल घ्या तुम्ही, कुठलाही ऑनलाईन लेक्चर घ्या, तुम्हाला मिळणारच नाही. इतकं सोपं, इतकं साधं, इतकं मराठीत. I am fully aware that I am delivering a lecture in engineering college, but understanding is important. उजव्या बाजूला टाइम शिफ्ट चेंज होणार टर्म नाही, डाव्या बाजूला आहे. उजव्या बाजूला काय आहे? फक्त कॉन्स्टंट आहे. डाव्या बाजूला काय आहे? टाइम प्रमाणे बदलणारी एक टर्म आहे आणि एक कॉन्स्टंट आहे. तर उजवी बाजू आणि डावी बाजू कधी एकत्र होतील? टाइम प्रमाणे जी बदलणारी टर्म आहे त्याचा मल्टिप्लाय 0 असेल तर, म्हणजे b 0 असेल किंवा a मायनस लॅम्बडा 0 असेल. जर b 0 असतं तर काय? VOT equal to a. VOT equal to a. जर b 0 असेल तर a 1 झाला. सो a 1 झाला म्हणजे VOT equal to 1 हे सोल्युशन. पण ते नको आहे आपल्याला, म्हणून b 0 नाही. जर b 0 नसेल, जर b 0 आला, लॅम्बडा हा आउट ऑफ पिक्चर जातो. VOT equal to a plus 0 म्हणजे a, this is a equal to 1, trivial solution. Other than that, if b is not equal to 0, then 1 minus lambda must be 0, means lambda must be 1. Means, I am extremely sorry, this is 1 plus lambda. 1 plus lambda. b plus lambda b, so b plus lambda b, so 1 plus lambda. So if b is not 0, 1 plus lambda must be 0. That means lambda equal to minus 1. Lambda equal to minus 1, and when lambda equal to minus 1, this term goes. This term goes, and then a becomes, a is equal to 1. So lambda is equal to minus 1 and a is equal to 1. Lambda equal to minus 1 and a is equal to 1. So answer is 1 plus b e raised to minus 1 plus, is it clear? So what will happen when lambda is minus 1, this term will go, a will become 1. So what is the answer to this problem? Solution of this differential equation. Solution of this differential equation is VOT is minus t is the solution. Solution is complete. Solution is complete. Now you cannot find anything more than this. You cannot find. So remember, solution for differential equation is not unique. Solution for this, not this, solution for any differential equation is not unique. So this will be satisfied for any value of b. For any value of b, this will be satisfied. You can take b equal to 2, b equal to 3, b equal to 1, b equal to 0 also. In that case, it will lead to a trivial solution. B equal to -1, b equal to -2, anything, it would be satisfied. Then, what is the exact solution? That will depend upon some value differential equation. Remember, differential equation वरून सिस्टीम कशा स्थितीत असेल याचं सोल्युशन काढता येत नाही. एखाद्या वेळी सिस्टीमची स्थिती माहित असेल तर आता सिस्टीमची स्थिती काय असेल हे काढता येतं. सो टू नो एक्झॅक्ट सोल्युशन ऑफ द डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन वी मस्ट नो what was its value at given time, any given time. So VOT is a function of t. Multiple functions of t will satisfy this differential equation. Then normally, not always, initial condition when we start the system at t equal to 0. So at t equal to 0, what will happen? At t equal to 0, it would be VO0 will be equal to 1 plus b. Usually 1 plus b. So this is this equation where v in t was applied 0 before t equal to 0. We close switch, make t equal to 1. In that case, at t equal to 0, this becomes 1. So VO0 is 1 plus b, that is the initial value of capacitor voltage. If capacitor is discharged, VO0 is 0. If capacitor is discharged, VO0 is 0. If capacitor is if VO0 is 0, then 1 plus b is equal to 0. In that case, b is equal to -1, and then the equation will become V0t is equal to 1 minus e raised to minus b. Now you will make it more interesting. We will make it more interesting. What will happen now? Let us say I have made a very interesting example. Same system, 1 farad, 1 ohm, volt. We close at t equal to 0, and initially the capacitor was also charged at 1 volt. म्हणजे जर 1 व्होल्टला चार्ज असलेला कॅपॅसिटर इथं असेल आधी, हा 1 व्होल्टचा बॅटरी आहे, मी स्विच क्लोज केला तर काय होईल? काहीही होणार नाही. व्हाय? व्हॉट इज आन्सर? VOT है, दैट इज राइट. डिफरेंशियल आंसर है 1 plus b e raised to minus t. Now what is VO0? VO0 is 1 plus b, that is voltage across capacitor at t equal to 0. म्हणजे सर्किट सुरू करताना कॅपॅसिटरवर किती व्होल्टेज होतं? कॅपॅसिटरच्या अक्रॉस चार्ज नसेल तर व्होल्टेज 0 असेल, आणि काही चार्ज असेल तर काही व्होल्टेज असू शकतं. and if V00 is 1, what that will happen? This will be equal to 1. So B would be equal to 0. B is 0, and in that case, what is VOT? VOT is 1. म्हणजे असा कॅपॅसिटर हा जेव्हा 1 व्होल्ट इथं आहे, सर्किट इनकम्प्लीट आहे, करंट फ्लो होत नाही. इकडं सर्किट जोडलं तरी देखील इकडे 1 व्होल्ट आहे, करंट फ्लो होणार नाही, काय 1च उत्तर आहे. सो if initial condition is V0 equal to 1, VO equal to 1, VO 0 is equal to 1, then it would be a steady output for the capacitor. So it's a very special case. Now, we move to this. dVOT by dt plus VOT is equal to T. dVOT by dt plus VOT is equal to T. In this situation, what will happen? In this situation, what is going to happen? Here, there will be a very interesting thing that will happen. We take capacitor discharge at initial state for simplicity, because we, even though considering only simple situations will mislead us that the subject is very simple. So we also must get exposed to complex situations. But considering complex situations in the beginning will make they feel that it is too extremely difficult. That we should avoid. म्हणजे सोपी सिच्युएशन घ्यायची, ती सोडवायची, पण तिथं थांबायचं नाही, तर तिथनं पुढे जायचं. सो एव्हरीथिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड. नाउ व्हॉट विल हॅपन? सो what is this simple equation we have got? This simple equation we have got. Derivative of the function